Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mika, and for today's video, I am so excited to share with you one of the best quarantine finds that I found, which is Hunnywax. So I never actually thought that I can wax myself because I just can't with the pain. Like, it's just too painful to wax yourself. And I used to buy this wax from the PCX store, and the first time I tried it, it was very painful. So I never actually thought that I would actually do it by myself again. And then the other day when I found out about Hunnywax, I tried it out by myself, and I was actually very scared at first. But I got to wax my entire leg, and this is the jar that I finished the other day for my entire legs, and I just can't believe it because it was that easy. It was the best experience ever. So I was chatting with the owner of Hunnywax the other day, Cass, and she was telling me that I should really do it with my eyebrows. I was like, I'm too scared because, you know, I'm just too scared for it. So today I will try that out, and I'll also show you how I wax my entire arm. So when you order Hunnywax, it comes with 10 reusable strips. This is reusable. It's so life-changing. It also comes with 2 applicators. Here are the 2 new jars that I have. And it's like bubble wrap, so it's super safe. It won't break, and you will get it perfectly. So here's the wax. It's super ASMR. Anyway, so here's the other one. Let me open it as well. Ta-da! And then it also comes with care cards. So here's the care cards. So it just says that Hunnywax is a 100% natural sugar wax cooked at the perfect temperature for a painless, yes, flawless waxing experience. Yes. Okay, so I'm back, and I just prepared the wax. Here we go. And I think I want to start with my eyebrows. So I'm going to zoom you in. Doing my brows, and this is how it looks like. It's a little bit cleaner now. My brows wasn't really that messy in the first place because as soon as one piece of hair grows, I try to pluck it out, like the ones in the bottom. I try to pluck it out already because I know I won't be able to have it fixed anytime soon. So I did that. So it's not that messy, but using the Hunnywax really made a big difference for me, even just a tiny bit, especially for the small hairs in the middle part and in the top, because I don't usually touch that. And yeah, it just gives me a very clean look. There, a little closer so you can see. And now I will show you how I do or wax my arms. So let me show you. Let me show you my hair. So I just get wax and I try to apply it in the direction of my hair, so it goes this way. And then I just get this. I just cover it like that. And there's the hair. Super easy to do. Hanaduse. So yeah, I'll leave all their links down below. Their Instagram is at Hunnywax. I'll leave it also here so you can see. And they're really, really amazing. I really love it. I swear by the product. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below what product you want me to try next. And I'll see you very soon. Bye!